Once upon a time, in a lush green valley surrounded by towering mountains, there lived a brave young boy named Leo, who dreamed of becoming a great warrior. Leo lived in the village of Meadowcrest, where the villagers were known for their farming skills, but Leo's heart was set on a different path. Leo was fascinated by tales of legendary warriors who protected the valley from giants and dragons in ancient times. He often climbed to the top of the tallest hill, gazed at the horizon, and imagined himself wielding a sword, clad in shining armor. One bright morning, old Master Finn, a retired warrior, returned to Meadowcrest seeking an apprentice. He wished to pass on his knowledge and skills to someone brave and committed. Leo couldn't contain his excitement, and he darted through the fields to meet Master Finn. "Will you teach me the way of a warrior, Master Finn?" Leo asked, his eyes gleaming with hope. Master Finn chuckled, his beard twitching with amusement. "It's not an easy road, young Leo. It will take patience, practice, and a brave heart. Are you ready for such a challenge?" Leo nodded emphatically, and thus began the journey of a lifetime. Master Finn taught him the art of wielding a sword, mastering agility, and most importantly, the wisdom needed to make the right choices. The training was tough. Leo stumbled many times, but his determination never faltered. He practiced from dawn till dusk, learning not just the skills, but the values a true warrior must uphold: honor, courage, and empathy. Months passed, and one day Leo got his chance to prove himself. A ferocious beast threatened the village, stealing crops and frightening the villagers. Leo knew this was his moment. He faced the beast with courage, remembering Master Finn's teachings. Instead of attacking hastily, Leo strategized, setting a trap and luring the beast away from the village. With a swift move, he outsmarted the creature and led it back to the forest where it belonged. The villagers cheered, thanking Leo for his bravery and ingenuity. "You have shown today what makes a true warrior," Master Finn said proudly, "not just with your sword, but with your heart." Leo realized that his dream of being a warrior was not about fighting battles, but about protecting the ones he loved, using wisdom and strength. And so, Leo became the guardian of Meadowcrest, ensuring peace, helping others, and teaching them the values Master Finn had imparted. He knew now that the true spirit of a warrior lived not in their victories, but in their virtues. And in the village of Meadowcrest, the tales of Leo, the warrior with a brave heart and wise soul, were told for generations to come.